Hello students, and we are back with another video, and I'm really sorry it's been a long time like I've not posted the video, so I'm extremely sorry. And let us start. So today we'll actually discuss about Floyd-Warshall algorithm. So Warshall algorithm let us understand this by a very simple and an easy example. Okay. So this is the kind of a graph which is given, and you have to make the shortest path, or you have to calculate the shortest path. So first of all, what we will do is we will make a distance matrix for this. Okay. So let me make a distance matrix. So what it will be like A, B, C and D. And then what I will do is I am going to take it like this, and I will say okay, A, B, C and D. So this is a direct distance. So I am going to write here D0. Okay. Now once you see, when you observe here from A to A, it is like A to A, you are at the same place. So this will become 0. Okay. Same way, if you see B to B, you are at the same place. So then it will be like B to B will be 0. And then you have C to C, you are again at the same place. So it will again be 0. And same D to D, it will be 0. So now you know that diagonally all the elements will be 0. So this you can just remember for your reference. Alright? Okay. Now, what is the next thing? Now what we have to do? We have to check how will you go from A to B. So A to B, the arrow is in the same direction. So you will say A to B, it will go by 5. Okay. Now A to C. Now when you have to go from A to C, there is no direct path. Okay. That means this will be counted as infinity. Okay. And then you have A to D this way. Okay. So when you are going this way, it is like A to D is 3. Alright. So have you understood this much? Do the same process like B to A. Can we go to B to A? See, if you observe here B to A, can we go here? No, there's no direct path. So again, this will be infinity. This will remain 0. Now B to C. See, you can directly go B to C. This is the unit. So 1. And B to D. See, B to D, there is no direct path. So that means infinity. So what will I do now? I will do it for the next one. Okay. So this is 1 and this is 2. Alright. Now let's start with the C1. So when we'll start with C, C to A, do we have a direct path here? Yes, this is a direct path. So what will I write here? 2. Okay. Then C to B. C to B. Can we go C to B? No, it's not possible. Correct? So what will I do? C to B will be, okay, so this is 2. C to B will be infinity. Okay. C to C is already 0. So you can just rub this and put 0 over here. And then C to D. So do you see a path here, C to D? No, it's not possible. So it is infinity. Okay. So I think this is clear now. Alright. Now same thing we'll do with D. So from D to A, is there a direct path? Is there a direct path from D to A? No. So what we will write? Infinity. Okay. D to B. D to B. Yes, you can go directly. What is the distance? 2. D to C. Yes, you can go directly. That is 6. Okay. So this is your D0 distance. Alright. This is your D0 distance. Now what we will do in the D1 activity we have done. Now what we will do? We will make D1. Okay. So what do you mean by D1? That how will you go to D1 is basically you will use it via A. So this means D1 means via A. So suppose if you have to go like A to A, so this will remain the same, correct? So what will I do is, I will write it like this, say A, B, C and D. So when you have to do it, first of all, this will remain the same, the first line via A, because whatever you do, wherever you go, this will be same only, okay? So this line and this line, okay? This you have to copy from where? From D0. अभी आपको जब भी copy करना है, you have to copy from this part. Once you have done this, you already know that all the diagonal elements will be 0. So what I will do is, I will put 0, 0 and 0. Okay. Now, when you have to go from B to C, okay. So B to C, how will you go? One is, you are going from B to C. From B to C. So what is the first path B to C? That is 1 unit, which is already written over here. Okay. Now the other way of going from B to C, what is the shortest path? Like B to C, B to A and A to C, because this is via A. So B to A plus A to C. So B to A is infinity, like this is no path, and A to C is again infinity. So obviously the answer comes out to be infinity, and if you observe carefully, which is smaller? 1. So we will write 1 as it is. So this will come as it is. 1 will come as it is. Okay. Now D is already infinity. How will you go next is B to A and A to D. So B to A. So see, if I have to go B to D, I will go B to A plus A to D. Okay. So what is B to A? Infinity, and A to D is 3. Correct. And here it is already infinity. So what will I do? I will make it infinity. Okay. So this is what it is. Now, same way, now I will go C to B. So C to B, if I have to go, this is one way. Okay. So C to B is going infinity. The other way is C to A and then A to B. So this is very easy. Dekho, C to A plus A to B. So C to A is what? 2 and plus this is what? 5, which is equal to 7. So infinity and 7. So this will change. This will become 7 over here. Okay. Clear? Now the next thing, C and C तो 0 ही है, कोई problem नहीं है. Now we'll go to C to D. C to D, this path. Okay. How we will go? So I will write it once again. See here, it is C to D. So C to A plus A to D. A to D, like this. So what is C to A? That is 2 plus A to D is 3, which is actually 5. So if you see here, C to A is this and A to D is 3. So that makes 5 here. So what will I do? Now this value will also change. This becomes 5 here. Okay. Alright. Now D to B. D to B. Okay. Let's check the next one. We have D to B. So D to A plus A to B. So D to A is nothing, like D to A is infinity, plus A to B is what? 5. So obviously 5 and 2 if you see, so 2 here remains the same, and obviously D to C also, D to C is already written 6. Okay. So this is how your first distance matrix is made. Correct? Easy? Which is D2. And in this D2, we will go via B. Now B is your main port. Okay, so now the same thing I will do. I will make A, B, C and D, and then here also A, B, C and D. Okay, now same thing. What will happen in this is the second one remains the same, but second one we will look into this one. Okay, so I will say 5, 0, 7, 2, and this one will be infinity, 0, 1 and infinity. Okay, so this is 2. So now what will remain the same? This and this, and we will look which side we will look. Okay, so we will look this one. Okay, now you already know that diagonally the elements will remain 0, so you don't have to do anything over here. Now see, A to C, you have to go from A to C. So one is like you will go directly A to C, which is infinity. The other way is via B. Why? Because we are taking this one. Okay, so now it will be A to B plus B to C. So what is A to B? This is 5. And what is B to C? That is, yes, that is 3. Correct? So now when you add 5 plus 3, which is 8, and this, so which number changes? This number changes. So this becomes 8, which was here as infinity. यहाँ पे जो number था, that became 8 here. Okay? Now, the next thing is A to D. Alright? So how will you go to A to D? So A to D is a direct path, which is like 3. The other way is A to B and B to D. So A to B will be how much? 5. And B to D is infinity. So obviously 3 is less than. So you will use the same thing, that is 3. Okay. Now I will remove this. Okay. Now again the same method, C to A. So one is C to A, I can go directly, that is 2. Correct? And the other one is C to B plus B to A. So C to B is what? Infinity, plus B to A is what? Infinity. So obviously 2 will remain as it is. So you don't have to disturb. 7 ka 7, 0 ka 0. Now C to D. So we have to go C to D. So C to D is infinity. Now see, C to B plus B to D. So C to B is what? C to B is infinity, plus B to D is what? Again infinity. So this will remain the same. There is no change. Okay. Now D to A. Let's start with the other one. Okay. Now we'll go to D to A. So what is D to A? Is there a direct path? No, infinity. Now D to B plus B to A. So D to B is what? 2. And what is B to A? Is infinity. Correct. So obviously this will again remain infinity. Okay. Then you have D to C. So D to C is, okay, D to C. So D to C is already 6. And then we have D to B plus B to C. So D to B is 2 and B to C is 1, which is actually 3. And here again, which value changes? This value will change. So this becomes 3. Okay, this will change. Why? Because 6 is greater than 3. So we will use the lesser one. We will give the implication to the lesser one. Okay, got it? Alright. So now this is done by a V. तो अभी हमने shortest path देख लिया. Now the same thing. Now I'll be little faster and we'll start with D3. Okay. So now it was D0, D3. So let me be and it will be via C. Okay, so that's what I need. So rule remains the same, 0, 0, 0 and 0, plus this time the third unit will be same. So it will be 8, 1, 0, 3, and what is here? It is 2, 7, 0, 5. Okay, so this will remain the same. Okay, now same thing, we will start like A to B. So if I have to go A to B, it is directly 5 units. Okay, but if I have to go via C, so A to C plus C to B. So A to C is what? Infinity, plus C to B. C से B क्या है? Infinity. So obviously this will remain 5 only. So this will be 5. Same way, now we will calculate it for. Okay, so I will calculate it for A to D. Now when I have to go for A to D, what will I do is A to D is directly is 3. Otherwise is A to C plus C to D. So what is A to C? Infinity, plus C to D is infinity. So obviously this also remains the same. Okay. Now B to A. The next one which we will see over here is, that is B to A. So B to A is infinity. The other way is B to C plus C to A. So what is B to C? That is 1. Correct? B से C कैसे जा रहे हैं? 1. And then C to A. C to A is 2. C to A is 2. See this one. B to C and C to A. Correct? Okay. So 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. So 3 and infinity. So we will use here 3. So which number changes here? 3. ये जो infinity था, इसको we have changed it over here. That is 3. Okay, now B to D. Let's start with the B to D one. Okay, so we have B say D. Okay, so when I have to go with from B to D, one is B to D is infinity. Other one is B to C plus C to D. So what is B to C? 1. What is C to D? Infinity. Okay, so this will remain. Now there is another path which I can follow, and which is like you can also go via A. Okay, like B to D you can also go, not from C but via A also. That is the very important concept which I am telling you. See, B to C is 1, fine. But do you want to go C to D like this? No, you can also go like this via C to A and through A to D. Okay, once again. Okay, I will do once again for you. See, B to C plus C to D doesn't work. So what will I do is B to C I will go as it is. C is fine, 1. But this C to D, can I write it like this? C to A plus A to D. So see, 1 plus, I will take another pen. See, B to C is 1 plus C to A, that is 1. C to A is 1. And then A to D, that is, this one is 3. So this becomes 6. And this time, this value changes, which becomes 6. So अगर आपको ये चीज आ गई, so this is the most important thing. So C to D में हमारा infinity हो रहा था directly. I was not able to go from here to here. What I did is I took C to A and then A to D. So 2 plus 3. So that's what we have done over here. Easy? Okay. Okay. Clear? All right. Now on the same lines we will work with others also. So D to A. So let's go to D to A. So D D to A is infinity, correct? The other path is via C. So we will go like this, D to C and C to A. So C, D to C plus C to A. So D to C is what? D to C is 6 plus C to A is 2, which is equal to 8. Correct? But here also, if you see here, D to C and C to A, okay, that is 8. But D to C and C to A, so C to A, can I go like this? Listen to me very carefully. तो ये आपका सीधा सीधा पाथ है. लेकिन one more thing which you have to observe is D to B and then B to C and C to A. So see, D to B plus B to C plus C to A. Okay. So what is D to B? That is 2 plus B to C is 1 plus, okay, and C to A is 2, which is equal to 5. Now you have to see 8 is greater than 5. So what we will consider? Number 5. Very, very important task. Very, very important thing. एक बार फिर से हम ऐसे जाएंगे D to C and C to A, तो 6 plus 2 कितना बनता है? 8. And if we go the same part, D to B, B to C and C to A, so this becomes 2 plus 1 plus 2, which is equal to 5. We have to talk about the shortest path. That is why we took 5 here. Got it? Easy? Alright. Chaliye. So let me just put this here. Okay. So which is the number which is changed over here? This one. This infinity is changed to 5 now. Okay. And okay. Now same thing. D to B. So D to B is 2. अगर आप और paths भी compare करेंगे, so you will find that always, I mean 2 से less क्या ही होगा. Like D to B is 2, but D to C is 6, and then 6 plus 2. So I will do this for you. D to C plus C to A plus A to B. Okay, so D to C is how much? 6 plus C to A is 2 plus A to B is 5. So this will become 6 plus 2 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 5 is 13. So obviously 2 is less than 13, so 2 will be given the preference. So we'll write 2 here. Okay, so I hope this much is clear to you. Okay, now the next and the last part. Can you tell me how many nodes are there? See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. तो कितने distance matrix बनेंगे? 1, 2, 3 and one more we will make, which is via D. Okay, so one more, because यहाँ पे you have to change it. You have to be very careful. Okay, so if there are 8 nodes, तो आपके कितने बनेंगे? 8 distance matrix. If there are 10, it will be 10 distance matrix. And this will be, ये तो इसी का copy है. So you don't have to. So this is like input. This is like an input. Okay. And this final one, this will be your output. Correct? So let us begin with the D4 now. The last part of it. Okay. So let us do this. So the first important thing is 0, 0, 0 and 0, which you already know. And this time which will be the one which will be same. So this will be 3 and 6 and 5 and 0, and this will be 5, 2, 3 and 0. So this time the last one remains the same. बस अब तो क्या करना है? अब तो you just have to start doing the same thing. So A to B. So A to B is what? A to B is 5. Correct? And अगर हम via D जाते हैं, so what is it? It is 3 plus 2, 5. Like A to D. A to D is 3, and then D to B is 2. See this one. A to D and then D to B. So this also is 5. So this will remain 5 only. Okay, so there is no change. So let me just quickly do all the things for you. Okay. So this remains 5. Okay. Now let us go from A to C. Now look at this one very carefully. Okay. So A to C. If I go A to C, it is infinity. Okay. Now I will go A to C via D. So A to D, that is 3. A to D is 3. And then D to C will be equal to 6. So this becomes 9. Correct? Now what is the other way of going it? A to D and then yes, A to D, that is, okay, I will write it here, 3. See, A to D is 3. D to B is 2. And then B to C, that is 1. So 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. So 9 and 6 में, which is the smaller? 6 is the smaller. So here we will write 6. Okay. So here we will write 6. तो 8 से भी छोटा है, 9 जो हमने कैलकुलेट करा उससे भी छोटा है, and this. So the least distance basically. ठीक है. So this is what it is. Okay. Now B2A. So B2A, if you observe, अभी 2 से small और क्या ही होगा? Even if you want to try, so see, B2A is what? Infinity. B2C plus C2A will make 3. Okay. Even if you go, so obviously 2 is the smaller one, so you don't have to worry. Now B2C. So if I have to go, just let me remove this. Okay. So if I have to go B2C, so B2C is 1. Okay. B2C is 1. Okay. See, B2C is 1. Other way is B2D and D2C. So B2D to you can't go. Correct? You can't go. And obviously, whatever path you will see, 1 से छोटा कुछ भी नहीं होगा. Okay? So the next one, the next value which will change over here is this 1. Okay? I will make it with the different color. See, this is 1. Okay? So this remains the same. So this is the 1. Now we will go C2A. So C2A, if you see, C2A is 2 only, because less than this, I don't think so anything will be there. Now C2B. So C2B is what? Okay, let's see. Let's see here. So if I say C2B is what? Is 1. C2B is 1. Oh, C2B is infinity. The other one is C2D and D2B. So obviously this will not work. C2A, see this, C2A, A to B, and then see, C2A is 2, A to B is 5. Okay. Now where you have to reach? You have to reach C2B. Okay. So 5 plus 2 will be 7. Okay. 5 plus 2 will be 7. The other way is C2A, A to C2A, then A to D, and D to D. So 2 plus 3, 5 plus 2, 7. So both ways it is 7 only. So this will change. This will become 7. This value will become 7 only. So although it is not changing, but आप ऐसे चले जाओ तो भी 7 है, ऐसे जाके ऐसे चले जाओ तो भी 7 है. Okay, so this is what was Floyd-Warshall algorithm. Thank you so much. And the next video I will discuss about the algorithm of it, the pseudocode. So I'll give you the pseudocode. I will teach you how to give an input file, how to get the output file, and I will also teach you like how can you make a Floyd-Warshall for 8 points. How do we do it? So stay tuned.